Welcome back to Auto Nova, where we bring you the most luxurious, powerful, and cutting-edge vehicles from around the world. Today, we're diving deep into the future of sophistication on four wheels, the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. If you thought luxury had limits, this car proves otherwise. At first glance, the new Maybach S-Class continues its tradition of elegance with an updated yet familiar design that screams prestige. The iconic grille, now slightly more pronounced with vertical chrome slats, proudly displays the Maybach emblem, subtle yet unmistakably dominant. Sleek LED digital light headlamps flank the grille, offering not just illumination but a display of innovation, capable of projecting symbols onto the road. The body lines are smooth, aerodynamic, and uninterrupted, emphasizing the car's length and presence. And with exclusive two-tone paint options and forged alloy wheels up to 21 inches, the 2026 model is as much about visual statement as it is about refinement. Under the hood, this new Maybach is no slouch. Powered by a twin-turbocharged V8 or V12 engine, depending on the configuration, the S-Class Maybach pushes out upwards of 600 horsepower, offering power delivery that's buttery smooth and responsive. Whether you're gliding through the city or cruising on the Autobahn, the Maybach offers a ride quality that's second to none. Thanks to the updated 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, rear-wheel steering, and the e-active body control suspension, this luxury yacht on wheels manages to stay composed over any terrain, adjusting in milliseconds to deliver the softest, most controlled ride imaginable. Step inside, and you enter a world that's more first-class suite than automobile. The cabin of the 2026 Maybach S-Class is a masterclass in craftsmanship. High-grade leathers, real wood inlays, and customizable ambient lighting set the tone. The MBUX Hyperscreen, now even more intuitive, stretches across the dashboard with crystal-clear OLED displays. Rear seat passengers are treated to individual entertainment screens, fully reclining executive chairs with massage functions, and even a built-in refrigerator with silver-plated champagne flutes for that next-level experience. Mercedes has gone above and beyond with sound isolation in this new model. Acoustic glass, noise-reducing tires, and upgraded insulation ensure the cabin remains whisper-quiet, even at high speeds. You don't just ride in a Maybach, you glide, wrapped in a cocoon of silence and serenity. Technology, of course, takes center stage. The new Maybach features Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities in supported regions, meaning the car can handle itself in traffic and on highways under certain conditions, giving you more time to relax and enjoy the ride. The biometric authentication system ensures that only approved users can operate or adjust the vehicle, while advanced safety features like active lane change, emergency braking, and blind spot assist continue to evolve and set new benchmarks in the industry. And let's talk customization, because in a Maybach, personalization is everything. From monogrammed headrests to custom interior materials, you can make this car truly yours. Mercedes-Maybach even offers a personal design consultant to help tailor your vehicle to your specific tastes. While pricing hasn't been officially confirmed, early indicators suggest a starting point around the $200,000 to $250,000 mark, with fully loaded models exceeding $300,000. But let's be honest, this isn't just about transportation. This is about making a statement. Owning a Maybach S-Class is about entering an elite club where comfort, technology, and prestige come together in perfect harmony. So, whether you're a connoisseur of luxury, a tech enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates automotive excellence, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is more than a car. It's an experience, a symbol of what's possible when engineering meets artistry at the highest level. Thanks for watching Auto Nova. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2026 Maybach S-Class, hit that like button, subscribe for more luxury car content, and drop a comment letting us know your favorite feature of this masterpiece. Until next time, drive safe, and stay classy.